So, hello student, today we are going to start with another important topic of cybersecurity, that is tools and method which is to be used in cybercrime. So, in this technique, in this unit, we are going to discuss tools and method which are used in cybercrime, that is introduction, proxy servers and anonymizers, phishing, password cracking, keyloggers and spywares, virus and worms, Trojan horses and backdoors, steganography, DOS and DDoS attacks, SQL injection, buffer overflow, and attacks on wireless network. So let's start with proxy server and anonymizers. Okay, before starting with server or proxy server, we will discuss what is server. Okay, so here we are going to discuss client and server architecture. So what is the client and what is the concept of server? So in client server architecture, client is going to request or demand any request to the server, and in response to that, server is responsible to acknowledge the same to the client. Now proxy server. So proxy server is a computer on a network which acts as an intermediary for connection with other computers on that network. Also, we say that proxy server is nothing but the routers or network connecting device, or just like as a firewall, it protects our network or protects our system from the unauthorized access. First, attacker connect to the proxy server. Now, proxy server can allow an attacker to hide the ID. The purpose of proxy servers are keep the system behind the curtain, speed up access to the resources. Specialized proxy servers are used to filter out unwanted content such as advertisement or any another pop-up windows. So these are the things which are related to the if any organization or if any organization doesn't want that their employees not access to the multimedia or any what we can say that grocery site, so they can easily ban that site with the help of the proxy server. Also they can ban or what we can say that filter out that particular pop-up window which is to be appeared whenever we are going to uh, go on that particular website. So we can easily ban that pop-up windows, ban that particular website, so this can't be accessed by their employees. So proxy server can be used as an IP address multiplexer to enable to the connect number of computers on the internet. Yes, exactly. Proxy server is just like as a firewall, or what we can say that router. It connects our system, it connects our organization to the third party, or it it avails the organization's detail to the third party globally with the unique identification number, that is called as proxy address. So these are the things which are related to the proxy server. So with the help of that, we can easily protect our system from the unauthorized access. So in next we are going to discuss with anonymizer. Thank you.